I am G.R. Shivshankar, Secretariat member of All India Forward Bloc, founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in our country. And today, I want to share some views about our party as well as myself regarding the present situation where the Corona Mahamari is very much damaging the system of our country and affecting all cross section of the people in the country. And it is one of the worst situation we come across. I think every common people and even our laborers and the migrant employees and all cross section I can say are suffering from this Corona Mahamari. I think Government of India is also struggling too much, particularly to control this Corona. Not only Government of India, even the other state governments are also hardly working and finding all measures to control the Corona. But still it is working very effectively and running very nasty way. So this is one of the biggest problems the country is facing now. And today, just in the present scenario of our country, I think any country, the leaders who lead the country in a difficult situation and given as suggestions, that is also very much required to take the present system, how we can use the ideas of our leaders. I think Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is one of the great patriot in our country. And even Mahatma Gandhi has recognized that he is a great patriot. So, any country without patriotism, that country will not work. That is my experience I have seen in the world. Patriotism is the must. If I am not loving my country, how I can do something for my country? After all, we are all working for our country. But unfortunately, in the present political scenario, the political system, lacking of patriotism is there in all the political system. This is very unfortunate. The country is facing this kind of a vacuum that without patriotism. So Modi is also struggling hard, and he has also mentioned Swadeshi and Deshi movement has to be started, inculcate in our system. But it is very contradictory. Modi is telling Deshi and Swadeshi thing has to be improved. Yes, no doubt, we all support. But unfortunately, one side you are talking about this, another side you are inviting the FDA. When the foreign multinational companies are coming in our country, Deshi and Swadeshi movement is a very contradictory nature. For the sake of multinational companies and corporate companies, many labor amendments has brought and make the labor surrender to these companies. What is a Swadeshi? And Deshi, if the Deshi and Swadeshi movement, because Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, when he has started a movement, particularly in the INA, he has mentioned 3 words, that is unity, faith and sacrifice. If these things is not there, I don't think any kind of a system will work. But unity for what today? And sacrifice for what? Our people are sacrificing for the corporate companies and multinational companies. That will not solve the problems of our people. I think this we have to understand, the sacrifice and the unity and faith for our own system. But that is not there. Only when we are working for the multinational companies and corporate companies, and country will not improve. Deshi and Swadeshi movement is only a just word's sake. It will not serve the purpose. Deshi movement will also not improve and Swadeshi movement will also not improve. If it is to be improved, we have to strengthen our own. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, from the beginning, even in 1939 in Haripuri Congress also is mentioned, a socialistic program has given. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has given in a Kabul thesis, 8 issues, how we have to address and how we have to develop. And he has very concrete ideas, particularly a scientific production and scientific agriculture production and improve the whole system, that he has got a planning. Even the 5-year planning also is initiated by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And one side he is telling, because unfortunately in our country, the public sector and public economy and everything has been introduced, but now it is in a very bad shape because there is no patriotic feelings exist in those systems. Unless in the system, if you are not introducing a patriotism and sacrifice for the country, the public ownership and public system will not improve. I think I request Mr. Modi, instead of inviting FDI, develop our own system, develop our public sector, encourage our public sector and encourage our people and improve a scientific thinking in both industrialization as well as agriculture, and unnecessary helping the multinational company and corporate company, only we are developing them and at the cost of our people, at the cost of our migrant employees, at the cost of working people in our country. Don't surrender our labor laws, everything for the corporate companies and as well as the multinational company. It is indirectly or directly helping those people to make the profit only. But nothing will improve as a Deshi and Swadeshi movement in our country. If at all we want to improve the Swadeshi and Deshi movement, let us take Netaji ideas, how we have to improve our agriculture, how we have to improve our planning, how we have to improve our industrialization and agriculture and sacrifice and patriotism. All these things has to be inculcated in the people's mind of our country. I think Modi, I request Modi, Prime Minister of our country, Swadeshi movement and Deshi movement can be improved only unless if you are not encouraging our country system, inviting the multinational and corporate company, country will not improve. This is my view I am going to say. I think this has to be inculcated in our planning system and our thinking process. Otherwise, everything is a fruitless thing. Thank you.